Question number 11. Speed compliance rules for drivers. All of the above are correct. Question number 12. Places where overtaking is prohibited. All of the above are correct. Question number 13. The middle lane is used for. Driving at a speed lower than the maximum speed allowed speed on the road. Question number 14. When overtaking, the following must be considered. All of the above are correct. Question number 15. The left lane is used for. All of the above are correct. Question number 16. Fixed obstacles that the driver may sometimes need to overtake. Parked vehicles. Question number 17. Vehicles must not be parked at bends, and if necessary, the distance from the bend should not be less than 20 meters. Question number 18. Speed compliance rules for drivers. All of the above are correct. Question number 19. Conditions for safe turning. All of the above are correct. Question number 20. The middle lane is used for. When wanting to drive straight ahead.